Here's how to draw the rainbow friend purple. Start out with a circle shape up here, and the circle is just a little bit taller than it is wide. And we're gonna draw in the eyes. So go to the left and draw in an oval shape. Then draw in the pupil. I'm gonna have the pupil kind of looking off to the left here. And then we'll sketch in the right eye over here. And we'll have this eye kind of looking off to the right. So he's gonna have kind of crazy eyes looking off in different directions. He's a pretty wild, crazy character. And then the body is just this little tube. So right now he almost has the body of a dragonfly. It's a little tubular body. And now we'll draw his leg coming out. And the first thing I'm actually gonna do is draw his foot over here to show us where we're gonna be going, because his legs are pretty wild. So just draw out his little toe here, then longer toe. He's got 3 long toes over here, and then it kind of just loops around. It's a triangular shape. And then we're gonna draw in the hand right below the body right here. I'm just gonna sketch in the finger here, then the middle finger there, and the pinky like this. And then behind the hand we're gonna have the thumb, and the thumb is also long and it comes out like this. It's like a little hot dog. And then over here, just a little ways from the hand, we're gonna draw this foot. So we draw in the little thumb part of the foot, and then draw in 3 long toes. Now that we have these hands and feet in, this will help us with connecting them to the body. So the arm is gonna connect up here to the shoulder. So we'll start here, right by the face. We're just gonna draw in a curve. And it comes right down into the wrist, like that. And then same thing. It's a skinny arm. Comes right into the wrist. And then behind it, we're gonna draw the leg. Starts here. It's kind of like spaghetti noodles. Curves around, down into the connection of the heel. Come up here. Whoosh. It's like a sonic loop-de-loop almost. Alright, and you can see how having the hands and the feet here really helps with connecting these. Then over here, we're gonna draw this leg. It's gonna come out and go up like a roller coaster, and then come back down into the heel. And we're gonna do the same shape, just starting from the heel. It comes up, loops around like a noodle, and comes into the body. And then the arm back here, I'm gonna start up to about where the eye line is, and we're gonna draw the shoulder way up here and come down at an angle like this. And then draw in the hand. We'll draw We'll draw the thumb here. Kind of a C shape here with the finger. And have the fingers kind of curving into each other. And the rest of the hand is covered by the leg. Now all you need to do is draw the finished line work and color it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch the other Rainbow Friend drawing videos on the channel, and I have much more like Ninja Turtle drawings and fun cute animals. So thank you for liking and subscribing.